Houston, Texas, Dallas. Yo! Rashtabar, DJ National Game Changer, 6DJ representing. Lower than about the gun. The biggest of the bodies and the best of the HD entertainment. Video personal, visual. Check it out. Ha! Motherfucking you should know. Rashtabar Entertainment! Here one, for the same face I get the voice in our world selector. Freshly newly signed to Rubbish Entertainment. See? Our world freshness. Rashtabar Entertainment. You're gonna book them, be an event, the party, anything, the party. Nah. Rashtabar Entertainment. Rubbish, the
Facebook hero, back at it again. Hear me out, I represent Rashtabar Entertainment. The latest is a video and picture. Somewhere you check them out on Instagram, IG, and everywhere you can find them. Rashtabar Entertainment. I thank you, bye.
This song is called Sacramention by Sacrifice, alright?
Welcome.
Yes, sir. This is the Sacramention. Bring up on the look. I believe that we hear every argument. Listen. Watch out. From Bartlett to a Rasta. Remember when me never have them locks, yeah. When me step in the street, when every girl that say me neat, I know me rasp. Them ask me when me rasp. Well, me could have be a gangster. Maybe by then me know me song, them with a shot, sir. But no, who the ones to test them what's that? Them get a couple box and them say thanks in them box, yeah. What? A Rasta the answer. Babylon of them create them answer. Me no eat with them eat and me no drink with them a drink. Babylon, food with the cancer, yeah. Like a miracle me taking over. Representing baby soldier. Don't see me glory and know me growth. But from the little bit me tell me my daughter go. Yes, this is the sacred. This is the revolution. This is the revolution. The sacred voice. This is the revolution. This is the sacred. Let the kid do the same. Access to us. Because one select. I'm sure it's a balance. I know me shoot to them. Oh, to me, but it's new to them. Me not know what we prove to them. The more song rock, I write me up the proof to them. From selector to artist, well, a Charlie Black's part is well on the street. Mr. Benny asked it. So Mr. Black, me never got it. So we nation market. Me a sell pillar when my friend a sell chocolate. Man like never used to sweet like the Hershey's syrup. But don't tell me about the surface. Yeah, stop selling and no more celebration. Let's go to the end because of elevation. While the architects are already there. Me don't know what that is and tell us every step. This is the. This is the. What do I get at this? I'm Jacob. Say that to the faith. But I fake. But wait. When they come and try to eliminate. Look at it. Some they got to like me tell you straight. But this you are hearing me, you can't intimidate. You should have never tried to straight. Box me in the face. Lift the bucket and I want no man not every weight. I make me tell you straight. Look at no violence. Solid up the rock and I'm not in you. But they say we solid the race. We really not know. Never the blow again. Never them. I'm just some argument. Never. What do I lyrics? Say lyrics. Yeah, man. I saw me stay when I come to perform and I come to run on stage and run out. Alright? What do you want to say? One job. Can't have this. Call the analyst, say analyst. Look for come mind me take a puff from one of this. Call the journalist, you need to know the herbalist. Don't this not this now because they need to learn of this. You can't read a verdict. Go to journalist. This analyzing are the only thing for learn of this. Yeah. That is why you think I just in the brother. Yeah. That is why you think I just in the brother. Yeah. That's the word that's in the brother. Oh, the feeling!
With the power with the most I give me. Use everything when me make it feel win. Man as a winner, so the winner done in a me like Kylie Marcus and Nanny. The top shot, Billboard me take Grammy. Slam it a can down a gully like Sammy. Come put me the road me programming. So no boy can't see the that boat beside of me. You know what that is a top and they hit up under the woman. And the deal is a man I know the right now I go run.
Double. Give me a watch out. Watch out. them stage show. I sang me now, no boy play no. So tell them when them see me, move out of my way, I get run over again. Watch out, me no care if I talk Sarah Buns. Turn up the mic, I got my very need for the fans. And I no care if I'm more empty. Right now, me come to be dumb bad man. Mix, give me one, I can make it now, keep on me. I don't pass it, then we don't get it back. Then they don't want you, tell them to look up. And I get it there, which I can say money. That's why you see, them step on it, that them bad mind get the best of them. Watch your
slow things up, tell them to be moving it up. I think I call the moving and dropping up the moving. When we do them no one with it in a life. It's like them when we got that one foundation to set to make sure so that them alright. We know what them live on. And the them must be moving just for them.
Yeah, man, I saw it here. Well, what advice? I don't know the song, but what it's at the same time, you know? So, we're gonna start one more a cappella. I will just move it.
Use that one more.
late still, but you understand that's the thing, but you know. Anyway, time is against us and then just give us a little squeeze on for the show. So we're going to go into the next one now. Police in the doctor. Yes. Yes. Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Police in helicopter. I searching marijuana. Policeman in the street. Yes, sir. See that? Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Police in helicopter. I searching marijuana. Policeman in the street. Searching for quality. Soldiers in the field, burning the senses. But we continue to burn down the heart. We have to burn down the caves. We continue to burn down the heart. We have to burn down the caves.
The legislature so you can legalize. No need to fantasize, no need to criticize. Smoking out the chalice while I'm chilling up in Valley. Had to ease my mind, yeah, it's one of a kind. I should know, take some booze out the smoke. I can't move sober, I should know some years of parole. And we were smoking out the hole, I don't know some soul.